Hello, my name is John Santana, and I'm the Reference and Circulation Librarian at Columbia Green Community College, here with a brief tutorial. For today's tutorial, we're going to look at how to access the library's website. Right now, I am on the college's homepage. To locate the library, you will want to move your cursor to the tab that says Academics. If you go down to the bottom, it will see Library and Media Services. If you click on that, it will take you into the library's homepage. On this page, you will find just about everything you will need in order to conduct your research. If you click on Search Primo, it will take you into Primo, our online catalog. That will be addressed in a separate tutorial. If you are looking for databases and scholarly articles, you will need to go over here to the left side of your page, go down to where it says Library Online Resources. When you click there, it brings you to database categories. You scroll down to the category that you are researching, say for instance history, click on the plus sign, and you will have a variety of databases from which to choose from. These are all covered in separate videos.